Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think this move up is going to be a trend. I still think it's going to end up looking something like that, most likely taking out these highs before we do make another attempt to continue back down. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, especially looking at the dollar index as correlated pair, I do think this is a 1. I think this is actually still a correction, like a wave 2, and most likely eventually it's going to go up, finish off a wave 3, make a wave 4, and make a wave 5. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, really, we still have continued to make lower lows, lower highs. This is a good place to be watching this trend to look either for a break of structure or a significant higher low to help prove that this really is the end of a wave E. But I still think there is a very good likelihood this move down is not over. It's probably going to go down to one of these lower fids before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we had CPI news yesterday, and it really didn't cause that much of an effect. We do have a break of structure, but it really hasn't held above structure very well yet. Now, we do have a decent amount of dollar news today, which is why I still think there's a good chance that this is going to go up and break this structure, but I still think there's a good chance that this is going to be a correction, and if it does go up, then it probably will just bounce off a fib level and just keep on trending down. So really, we would need to primarily continue to look for sorts in a downtrend, especially based on the higher time frames. But if it does give you an opportunity to go long, I would definitely take it, and then maybe look for an exit at a Fibonacci level, and then even if you see a break of structure, maybe even exit your long and go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, it is very overlapping, and there's definitely always a chance that this could keep going down, especially because the daily time frame and uptrend is down. But I am still a big believer that this move up is like impulsive, and this is like an A, B, C, and that this is actually going to end up going up, probably at one of the dollar newses that we have today. But I personally wouldn't be trying to go long unless I see a fib bounce and a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, because, like I said, we really could just continue to make lower lows, lower highs, and if that's the case, we really should continue to look for sorts in a downtrend on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.